men and the elephant. Okay, the blind men and the elephant. Here some bag is showing, drawing is showing. One is done for you. A handle bag. See what is the imagine. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So you write down. Okay. In my idea, I wrote in it's a pin board, it's a notice board, then drawing sheet, letter card, diary. Not like this only you write. You have to write ನಿಮ್ಮ imagine ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಅದು ಬರೀರಿ. Okay children, what you all imagine you write this only. Okay. Okay, now I'll read the lesson. What is the blind man and the elephant? What is the meaning of blind? Blind means what? Blind means ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು blind ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, men means already no elephant. Yes, about blind man stories. Okay, now I'll read the story. Once upon a time in a village lived 6 blind men who wanted to gain knowledge. Despite their disability, they studied and became knowledgeable. Here, once upon a time, there are 6 blind men. In this one village, only 6 blind men is there. Okay, they want to gain some knowledge for a disabled. Dispute means ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡೋದು. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಸೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಪ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ನಮ್ದು ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾವು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನಾಲೆಜಬಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One day they decided to visit the zoo in their village to try and identify the animals by using their sense of touch. Then he decided to go one zoo. So he touched one animal. So then he will identify what type of these animals. They reached the zoo and the first animal they came across was a mighty elephant. As they were blind, they did not know what an elephant looked like. Now he reached the zoo. Then first animals he touched. What type of animal is there? It's a elephant. Okay, he touched the elephant, but they don't know. Now they are blind, but they don't know how types is elephant. What is looking? So he don't know. They don't know. So each one of them decided to touch and feel different part of the elephant in order to guess what it was. Then they decided each one by one they come and touch the animal to decide which animal is this. The first blind man felt the elephant trunk and cried out, "Be careful, this is a snake and stand back." Then first blind man came and touched the animal trunk. Trunk means you know sondo. Then he touched the trunk. Then he felt it's a snake. Don't touch. Move. Everyone move. It's a snake. Then he shouting. The second blind man managed to feel the elephant's thick leg and thought it was a tree trunk. He told the rest, "Relax. This is not a snake. It is just a big tree." Then second blind man came, then touched the elephant leg. Then he told, "Hey, it's not a snake. It's a tree trunk." Trunk means ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಗಿಡದು wood ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅದು. Then he touched the trunk. It's a tree. It's not a snake. He told. Thankful for the blind man, the elephant was tame, so he was calm. He did not get angry with the men touching and feeling him. Thankful. If you touch the animals, if the wild animals is there, if you touch the animals, what they did? Animals what it did? He's kicking na. He will be kick elephant, but the elephant is not kicking the blind man. Why? It's a tame. Tame means training ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. That's why he is not kicking the blind man. The third blind man came near the elephant's ears and said, "This is not an animal. There are just two big fans here. No need to worry." Then again third blind man came, then touched the elephant ear. Then what he said? "Hey, don't worry guys. It's not a snake. It's not a trunk. It's a fan. It's a two fan is there. So don't worry." The fourth blind man felt the elephant's long tail and thought it was a rope. "This is not an animal, but it is not a fan either. It is just a long rope." Then again third blind man came, fourth blind man came. Then he touched the animal's tail. Then he touched the animal's elephant tail. Then he told, "Hey, it is not a rope. It is not a snake. It is not a tree. It is not a fan. It's only a rope. Hagga. It's only a rope. Don't worry." Like this he told. The fifth blind man disagreed with them. He had come up against the animal's massive body, so he thought it was only a wall. Then again fifth blind man came. Then he touched the elephant body. Massive means big. He touched the elephant big body. Then he told, "Hey, it's a wall. It's not a snake. It's not a tree. It is not a fan, and it is not a rope. It's only a wall. Wall means a body." Okay, that much I'll finish. In the next class, I'll take previous lesson. Bye. Thank you.